How to Care for and Restore Leather Furniture by Howard Products. Here we have a leather couch that is in need of some help. The leather is dry, faded, and starting to feel rough and rigid. To help restore the leather, we're going to apply Howard Premium Leather Salve Penetrating Conditioner. Test on an inconspicuous spot for colorfastness. Using a soft cloth, massage Howard Leather Salve into the leather. Dry leather like this couch will require thicker coats. Allow the salve to penetrate for at least 1 hour before buffing with a clean, soft cloth. Leather salve is a deep penetrating conditioner that revives old leather and helps protect new leather. Leather salve restores the lost suppleness to dehydrated leather, reduces scratches, and helps preserve leather from future decay. Use leather salve sparingly but often. Not recommended for suede or nubuck. Howard Premium Leather Salve is a deep conditioning treatment that keeps leather soft and supple. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.